Lite literal literary rally? Literacy, almost there. Balcony, library, legality. Loving literacy. Almost literacy, almost. Legacy, legality. Lottery. Legacy. Legend, liter, yan, literary. Jessica Heli nakakuha, literary. Literacy, munti ka na, sabi ko almost. Literacy, sabi ko almost, literacy. Pero the correct word is literary. Ikaw ang babae na ano? Ikaw ang babae ng buhay ko, ikaw ang babae ng buhay ko, mahal kita, ikaw ang buhay ko. Char! Sana all. Donald Trump. Salamat lang ga. Si Donald Trump daw sabi ni Coyote. Ay, congrats. Ayan ito na yung mga lista ko. Tapos na. Inulit ko lang siya eh. Sine all. Sana all, Fernan. Sana all. Mabalak nun si Fernan. Gusto niya daw akong dalahit sa Gusto niya akong you sound so nice when you speak Cebuhan. So Cebuanito. Yeah, I'm a Cebuano. I'm a Cebuano, Coyote. My root is in Cebu City. But I was born in Mindanao. Aba, Fernan, magaling kang gulo-gulo. Yes, Fernando. Fernando. Ang ingay-ingay ko. Ang dami pa natin. 1 hour na tayo. Palagpasin lang natin ng 2 minutes. Renatalia Valdeveba. Can you do ASMR? It's whispering and making sounds like things. Please research it if you don't know what is. I don't know what is ASMR. Ano daw? What is that, Renata Valdevia? What is it, Renata? I don't know what is it. I have to work Saturday. I love these people. Coyote, what Renata said? I don't understand well. What is ASMR? Okay, I will research it, Renata. Thank you so much, Coyote. We love you too. When I start my live, my friend asking you where is Coyote, right, mga langga? Tinatanong nyo si Coyote, right, Coyote, mga langga. Sabi nyo, saan na si Coyote? Nasaan? Nasaan si Coyote? Nasaan? Coyote, gahi na po. Good night, Coyote. I need to